tell you, I don't want to brag. I don't want to say that I am blameless. But I want to say that I've never been involved in corruption. If I had done any corrupt deal for the 2 years I was deputy president, I would be in prison today. William Ruto has tried to look for a fault in my life. He cannot get any. He is so frustrated. He has sent investigators to turn my life upside down to find out whether I've ever stolen anything. He cannot get anything. If I had dipped my fingers into the public coffers and stole even $500,000, I would be committed today. He is so frustrated that he tries to look for a fault for me because I have stolen nothing and he cannot get me imprisoned. He now goes to social media to listen to gossip. All he can say is what he is reading from what my adversaries are saying in social media. Oh, Rigathi impregnated a girl 9 years ago. Because there is nothing against this man. The man is white as snow. Is nothing. The other day he went to try to look for my relatives. Our brother died 9 years ago. We did succession, we finished. Everybody got his share. They have eaten all the money and finished it. There is nothing remaining. He looks for them. Oh, I can help you to recover what was sold. And it was sold, they were given the proceeds. Because there is nothing against me. I'm trying to say, I can be trusted to deal with corruption. And if you want to know I can deal with corruption, just see how frustrated William Ruto is. The other day they went to Banyani. They looked for a criminal who was jailed there for 20 years, a robber, and told him to say that he is the son of my late brother. Nobody knows him. We have never seen him. In my late brother's will, he was not there. Even looking at him, he doesn't look like us. The fellow is saying, you know, this William Ruto, I think he is too confused. The fellow is saying, Rigathi organized for me to be jailed because my father had died. And he had left secrets with me. And Rigathi wanted those secrets. So Rigathi organized I be jailed for 20 years. Now he is saying those secrets was given by his father when he died. Now this man was jailed in 2013. Gachagua was governor in 2013. He died in 2017 here in London. So you know these are people who are lost completely.